Hello and good morning. Welcome to Your Next Car's YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around presentation of this lovely 420 diesel coupe we're having. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. We understand with click and collect and delivery services, it's not as tangible as before. You can't get in, have a look around at your peril. So this video and the pictures we've uploaded hopefully should help you make an informed buying decision. Let's take a look around. 2018 68 reg, so latter part of 2018. This has still got manufacturer's warranty until late 2022 with the main agent. Gorgeous estrel blue metallic, fitted with some styling enhancements that we do all in-house. We have the gloss front splitter, twin slack gloss kidney grills, 20-inch competition style M4 bi-colour wheels, gloss black inserts with a polished machine face, really effective. Gloss black sidebars and decals, gloss black air breathers, privacy glass, rear spoiler, rear diffuser to match. Gorgeous looking car from every angle. LED tail lights, as well as LED headlights, original mats in the boot, split folding rear seats. This is debadged. Condition of the paintwork is very good. All the wheels are unmarked, of course they're brand new along with the tyres. This is our overflow car park. You can see wall-to-wall BMWs. We've got about 120 to 130 in stock at the moment. Take a look at the inside. Black Dakota leather, electric mirrors, electric windows, 8-speed paddle shift gearbox, automatic headlights, rain sensors and wipers. 2 seats in the rear bench. Professional widescreen navigation system. This is a touchscreen model. Take a look at the service history. This is an AdBlue model as well. 24,000 first service, next service is due in 4,100 miles. Heated front seats, paddle shift. We have this lovely sliding armrest, auxiliary, Bluetooth phone, widescreen nav, original handbooks as well. Very well presented car, in stock, ready to drive away. HP and PCP available. You can apply online on our website or give us a call. Thanks very much for watching.